U-bolts are typically manufactured using cold bending or hot forging techniques. Cold bending involves shaping a metal rod into a U shape, while hot forging uses extreme heat and pressure to mold the metal. Both methods result in durable and reliable U-bolts that meet industry standards for strength and quality. U-bolts are a type of fastener used in various industries for securing pipes, tubes, and cables. Their unique U shape provides a strong grip, making them a popular choice for applications requiring stability and support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.